confirmation of the cloud. You pretty much got in. Like the biggest confirmation that you said that was actually stronger than the 50 moving average was when that green cloud started popping up on the 1 minute.
With the crossover on the cloud. So this is it right here. I'm about to break it down. I'm deep in profit right now on it.
When the green crosses the red.
Red, yeah. See, right there. You see why I put that vertical line? As soon
I
as
see it. I see.
soon as
Or
that
the red
happened,
is on top for the sell, and then when it start buying, the green go on top.
let me go ahead and move my stop loss to entry. And this is actually a bit off entry because I should have gotten the entry here closer to the 50 MA once it turned green. So this trade is like, I could have did better on this entry. But you notice how the green part of the cloud started to like curve a little bit, but I didn't enter right away on the curve because sometimes if it's not the crossover, it could keep pushing down and keep pushing down. I've seen that multiple times. So I had to wait for it to cross that red. Once it crossed the red, I knew it was good to go because now once that happened, you could see the moving averages keep pushing up. The more it keeps pushing up, the more price keep going higher and higher until it cross over back down for a sell, and it may not cross back down for a sell until a low minute. And it
Oh
was
shit. Oh shit.
and it was above the daily entry, which we called way before the crossover even happened. So we could have had an early entry on this one for real.
Yeah, I see it now. I just replayed the market and I'm seeing it. Yeah, that's like the first thing that popped up over daily entry quick.
Yeah,
That crossover the HMO cloud was like the first thing that happened.
exactly. And
Yeah,
then
looking at
and
moving average.
and then if we're looking at patterns too, we still had a W formation here.
Yes, indeed.
So that was clean.
Real clean.
Like we seen no drawdown on this one. Ever since I showed y'all this, like there was no drawdown on this trade as soon as I entered. Probably right here for like 50 bucks, 100 bucks maybe, which could have been a better entry for me. But on the gold, there was no drawdown on the gold. GC.
Yeah, man, this is beautiful, man. 2025 takeover for real.
No drawdown on the gold right now. And it's clean. A little pullback. But it's definitely gonna reach up here.
Yes, fine.
I'm already in. So now we wait for TP. It's pretty much it. It's the job.
I'm gonna profit nicely.
Same.
Where's your TP for gold?
I'm just gonna eye it for right now. Cause I know we still price tried to sell. So I'm not having too big of a take profit, but if it keeps going higher, I'm just gonna keep trailing my stop loss. But all my trades is safe right now because if stop loss is at entry, it's like worst case scenario it goes crazy. I don't make nothing.
Yep, risk-free trades. Gotta love it.
Yeah. We was really looking forward to that sell though on gold today. Like today was elite because we was looking for the sell. We was literally waiting for the pullback. We sat on our hands, but when we noticed the sell was not there, we just took the buy and it worked out perfectly compared to like forcing the trade and wanting it to keep selling when it's not.
Yeah, thank you for bringing back the Chimocos for the clutch.
I had to go back to the basics.
The first one.
The first one, man, that cloud made me. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, Uh, Back then when I was using it, I was not even using it at this level I'm using it right now. Like I'm seeing a lot more value into it now than before.
Whew.
As Nas is pushing dummy.
Let's go, man.
There's a mini resistance on that price, so
He's trying to break it, right? Let's see.
yeah, I wanted to break it to the buy. If it doesn't, then we keep selling. But
Yeah. That's the thing about this.
right now I'm like don't really trade like the minis or not like trade like if like the price is like in the middle, I will not touch. For me, it has to be like in the area. I know it should be hard to break it, and then now I'm like more confident and taking that trade. That's one of the things I implement. So right now,
That's great. Ooh, look at that push. And go. Nas pulling back just a little bit. Because remember, it came from a crazy sell trend. So on the higher time frame, that's what they want to do. So like for me, on a trade like that, I'm closing profit if it keeps going closer to where my entry is. I want this to go further away from my entries, but it should be good. I have a support exactly where it's at. Gold just sky it up right now. Let's go, gold. I'm telling you guys, if I didn't show you guys this epiphany, we would have still been trying to sell gold right now. I know the old me would have still probably been holding this trade and thinking to re-enter here at the 800. That's facts. A lot of times, and that's not the right way to trade. A lot of time we get so emotionally attached to the move that made us profit. We don't want to let it go.
flex, bro.
Worst case scenario, Nas pullback, test the 800 MA, re-entry for a buy. But I would already have closed all my profit. If it pullbacks right here, right now. Because I'm looking at two trades simultaneously, two setups. Gotta love the game, man. Gold is not showing no mercy for sellers right now.
The 15-minute was so clean.
Clean, bro. Like
You said the words right out my mouth.
Oh my gosh, it looks so clean. I tried to re-enter like on my regular account with the Forex, but I forgot how the fucking spread be sometimes. I got used to the futures.
Yeah, the future is real.
I was like, damn. So I had too tight of a stop loss. But it's alright. I was buying. Clean buy, right? If we would have had two regular, like,
the daily entry.
yes, the W was forming.
Yes, that's it. Cause these pullback will be nothing at that point.
Yeah, it would have been like, it's whatever. Stop loss should have that entry. It would have been already like 100%.
Yeah, literally. Literally. And it was also at the bottom bullion on the 5 minute time frame. We all seen that.
Yeah, I'm up there, bro. I'm up 700 right now.
Ooh, good shit.
That's good. I'm gonna re-enter now. It's gonna give me the opportunity. I just closed.
Yes, yeah, my close is good.
Yeah. We still green on the cloud, so we good in the buy still. Testing the 800. Literally testing that 800 clean. Alright guys, we in a buy for gold, locking in, stop loss at entry on this one. And I didn't even do a big risk on this one because I know the trend was a sell for now, at least trying to start. But now we got a crossover on the 5 minute time frame. So I'm looking to hold my trade a little longer. I mean on the 3 minute time frame. It's about to happen on the 5 minute time frame. If it breaks through the cloud here, it's over with. Or it could do a major pullback here. 'Cause this is the 800 in May.
I think we need that kind of feedback if we want to keep selling long term. It's healthy for the long term stuff.
Yeah, I see that. Nas pulling back a little bit more. Let's see. See, right here where gold is at, this is where it should be doing a major retracement for a sell. If it's keep trying to creep up above that 800, it's gonna keep going for that buy. And then Nas is
It's salvation.
okay. Nas is giving a re-entry at the 800 in May too, for a buy. This one is gonna go. So confirmation is still valid with the crossover. So as long as that's still valid, we good on that Nas. Gold, I don't know. I could trust stop loss here just in case. Let's say it pulled back crazy. I'm not giving up all this gain right here. Gotta get paid for the work. The work is really the entries. It's the hardest part.
Yeah.
Nas give a beautiful re-entry at the 800 MA. I re-entered there. I closed profit and re-entered there. Respecting the cloud. I really don't like this trade though, where I'm at. It's really ugly. I closed it here so I could try to re-enter it at another time. is still solid. Nas is re-entry opportunity. I'm just gonna do a lower risk on this one so I could re-enter if it try to retest at the 800 again. But we looking for buys on this anyway. Let me go ahead and it's not letting me do it. What I'm trying to do. I'm just gonna do a tight stop loss underneath the 800 MA. It supports one right there. Vodafone. Yeah, I don't know. That gold is at a strong support zone still. It looks like that 1 minute top Bollinger Band is waiting to be tested. Now it's pushing up. Let's go. Let's leave that one alone. Let's go back to gold. MGC. That 800 is solid right there on gold, guys. Pretty strong. Should be in profit, we just on that one.
Yeah, bro, but I didn't request it like 0.3.
Yeah, that's decent for a move like that.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Definitely gotta know when to go big. Like on these trades, I didn't go too big, because I know where we coming from. We coming from a sell trend. So even if I get it for the retracement, it's not gonna be like a crazy big move.
Yeah, I agree. I'm up like 200 right now.
Nice. Still early too. It's gonna retest. Probably gonna take me out in profit, and then I'm gonna rebuy it. If it tests the 50 MA.
I closed my trade 160, bro.
Nice. You close it in profit?
Yeah, I closed it, bro.
Nice.
Because it's not a move like I really like. It's not bad, but I don't really like it the way I want it. So that's why
I feel that.
I keep preparation it, and then smart profit is good, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a
I already
good
made
move.
200 for the days, bro.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Nas is pushing up as expected. That's what I like to see. I want to go big on this Nas, but because it came from a strong sell trend, the buys is not big enough for me to lock in. Pushing. That was close. Stop loss almost triggered on that gold. I'm gonna just move it a little bit lower to protect it. Right there. Next time around, gold is gonna try to break that 800 MA to keep going. See how Nas having a hard time breaking the resistance zone? Like a real hard time. Usually it'll just break through. But I have faith it still should break it. For real. There goes gold. But overall, the nice trade is a good trade because it's still above 800 MA. We have confirmation for the buy with the cloud. MAs are all green, bullish. We good for on this. Let's go, man. Time to go. And now we have a crossover on the 5-minute time frame as well. More crossovers we get, the more we could keep going up. Pullback is still part of it, you know. Can't do nothing about that. That's just what it is. Okay. Let's look at the NAS real quick. Let me show you guys NMQ. MNQ. We here. We also got a crossover here, right there. So overall, we should be good. It's above daily. We definitely have to be a little patient because, like I said, these trades, they coming from a sell trend. If it was already in a buy trend, it would have just jumped up fast. But it's coming off a sell trend, so it's like it needs to fully get out that sell trend on all time frame. So it's gonna be a slow buy. It's That's gonna creep up with time. But that gold though, that gold just did a little major pullback. Unless it decides to really do what it needs to do. We also got a crossover on gold for a buy. Right here. So it's a matter of time. Probably waiting for that new hour. That Nas is good though. I'm liking it. It's a slow buy. It's gonna keep pushing though. There goes that gold. Zoom in. So the Ichimoku cloud itself is gonna be fully implemented inside of the Jackpot strategy in about 2 weeks. I have my coders working on it to put it in there as well. In addition, and as you guys see the strategy, you get to choose which confluence you actually want to see. So you don't have to have everything in the chart all at one time. On the 1 minute, 5 minute buy volume is just starting. On the 1 minute, it's dying down. I could see it from the MACD here, but it's gonna turn back around real soon. I kind of want to close my gold, re-enter it. We did 100 pips already on there. About to be 11 o'clock, new hour. Coming up soon. All white candles for NAS in the hour. And for gold, that's you in the hour. If I see red candles, I'm not gonna keep holding my. Oh yeah, it's all red candles for gold, so The vibe may not be too strong for the day. All red candles here too. Red candles on the 15th. Oh shit. Let's see here. Alright, green candles. Yeah, my stop loss is underneath this MA right here, which would be in profit. But on the NAS, I think the buy is much better from what I could see. Alright, let's go. Time to get it. Trailing stop loss on gold right now. My live. Let's go gold. No mercy for the sellers. Hurting right now. There he goes. It's pushing. That's what I'd like to see.
I think the H4 candle is gonna come from the bottom. If you close to that bottom H4 1 p.m., might be burning.
Yeah, that'd be nice. 'Cause the entries I have would make a bag.
For sure.
That gold is a great trade. Great street.
I agree.
So I'm in gold around right here. Perfect entry in this gold. It just moving average just crossed the 800. So we about to shoot up crazy right now. Y'all boys get ready. Locked in.
Yes, sir.
You see what the cloud is doing? Pushing up. That's how we want it to be. We also got a confirmation on the 5 minute right here. So that's good to know. Above 800 now. That's great. I could even throw a stop loss and put it right underneath this. Worst case scenario, I'm securing maximum gains. But I think it got some more way to go. Now this is playing a little difficult, like I said, because it came from a crazy sell trend. So the buy is not gonna be like quick. Definitely gonna take its sweet time.
Recording in progress.
I'm trading stop loss on gold. Securing maximum gains here. Right there, right underneath the support. about to be 11 o'clock, guys. Make sure you try your stop loss just in case we have an impulsive move to the downside. I'm securing max gain here on gold. I'm holding on to NAS. I have stop loss around 21 to 67. You should be good for the day. New hour is about to start. So on gold, I don't have a tick profit. I'm just trailing stop loss as it goes. Again, we're getting a nice push on NAS right now for the new hour. Exactly what we wanted. It took some time, but it planned out well. That's great right there. Gold is at a major resistance zone. Who could tell me which resistance zone is that? Who could see it? It's clear, it's right there.
Then they bro.
Yeah,
Then they entry.
yeah. That's a serious area right there because what it could do is either break through it and start buying for the rest of the day or retest and reverse completely for a long-term sell. So this is very important right here. I'm trailing stop loss a little tighter. Right underneath 800. Right there. Boom. NAS is going crazy. Did my NAS TP just hit? What was that noise? Oh, it's too early. Dang. They took me out the NAS and profit. Can't complain, but dang. I wanted to hold a little longer. What happened? What? Alright, whatever. It's gonna be crazy. I'm still on NAS in my other account though. Daily entry resistance zone right now. DE. So the strategy. DE. Let's go, gold. Break that daily. Come on. Push. Huh?
About to break it.
Let's see. This gold had to break so many resistance zones to get to where it's at right now.
Very good.
It's crazy. Let's go. NAS just reached a major resistance zone too. 15-minute middle Bollinger Band. It's tough where it's at. If it breaks that and keeps going up, we going all the way to the top. Bollinger Band on that 15. If it cannot break that, then it's gonna go right back down from here. So let's see. I hope it does. Alright, gold is now tapping the daily entry. It's gonna figure out what it wants to do next. Also, that's a 1 minute 800 MA on my mobile. Guys getting ready to push up, just as expected. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that move. Keep going. That's a bag right there on gold. That was perfect entry. Nice pushing, let's go. Oof. Let's go, Nas. Anyone still in that trade?
Me?
I'm stuck on gold.
Yeah, me too, but I'm on Nas on my lap. It took me out in here, but
But it's gonna break that and it's gonna keep going.
looking like it's gonna for that 15. Top BB. It's all the way up there though, so I do expect pullback.
It's gonna go right back to where it started selling from. Definitely a long time to hold on.
It's looking like it. It's looking like it. The Nas trade was beautiful today, right off the daily entry with minimum pullback.
I'm actually gonna hold this one.
Come on, me go ahead and go.
Alright, there's a pullback, re-entry opportunity, locked in. We got rejection on gold. I'm gonna just track MNQ on my other laptop. Let's go back to gold in DC. Alright, man. Let's see what we're gonna get here. What you guys thinking? Go continue buying or full reversal on this?
Might be a full reversal because we're selling long term back.
The way it's looking like. Yeah,
Good.
it could. I want to secure more gains. I'm gonna wait it out a little bit.
I'm seeing 11:15, so the next 15-minute candle.
Yeah. It just reached 50 MA on the 15-minute time frame, guys. Full test. That would be a great area to sell. Dang, that move looked good. No lie. For the sell, I'm contemplating what I'm gonna do. I might just secure all gains right here and build a
There we go. It took me out. I trail stop.
Good.
But we still have a buy signal
We
on the
do.
Ichimoku.
We do. And it's there on the 5 too, so it's like, what you trying to do, gold? But I can't afford a retest at 50 MA 1 minute. That's too far down.
Yeah.
They gotta respect that area where it's at right now. Or else I'm out of there. Thank you for the profits. I appreciate it. Yeah. I mean, we
They
call
still in the market, no?
yeah, we call that resistance zone right there though. We knew it was there.
Yeah.
We knew it was
I
right there.
forgot. You not up for seven, I did it.
Right. Alright, it's dropping hard. Yeah. Yeah. It took me out in profit. It's a good trade. I'm hoping they give me a little pullback more to the upside, but we'll see. I don't know. A retest at the top of Lynchburn 1 minute would be better for me for a sell. Because something needs to test. But Nas is keeping me alive. As long as Nas keep going up, I could always re-enter gold. Nas for me is a long-term hold. At 12 p.m., there will be a pullback on Nas, so I am looking to close some profits on Nas real soon. Because I know at 12 p.m. for sure we're getting a pullback, guaranteed.
Now just headed to the daily entry line. Is that right?
No, it came from there for the buy for the day.
What?
It came from the daily entry line. DE, daily entry line. Where I see it going right now is the Bollinger Band,
It went
15,
right back to where it came from. That's nice.
15-minute time frame.
So isn't this on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour? That's the daily entry, right?
Yeah, actually don't even have my indicator on here, so you won't see that. Nas pushing strong. Let's go. Here, you all set. DE. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm setting it up for you. Here, all set. Alright, I'm closing my NAS right now. All of it. I'm about to right now. I want to re-enter again at 1 o'clock. Alright, I'm out of all NAS. Holding on to go.
I'll be back.
Who's your phone? I have a bank appointment at 2.
I'll be back later.
So you got everything you need here. The daily entry line is the DE.
You keep telling me to come in.
And then key zone entry is like the week trend entries. So NAS may go back up to test that key zone entry low and then sell again for the week. The daily entry is the line that you need to enter every day for a buy or sell. And if you hover over the candle or hover over the indicator, it'll show you the trend by the colors of the candle. So all greens mean buys, all reds mean sell, white mean consolidation.
Okay. I got my first brand sponsorship deal.
For you and Anna? Huh?
Rosie's. Rosie's.
Oh, from that company that was gonna send you stuff. Nas is going to pull back, guys. I'm out of Nas until about 1 p.m. I'm re-entering at 12:45. That's just how it works. It's gonna pull back at 12 p.m. I'm about to close all my gold trades as well and take a lunch break. Alright, I'm out. All trades. Uh, great session today. I mean, there was a lot of things we did differently this time around.
Can you help me?
Yeah, bro. Good work.
Yeah, for sure. Major growth. Major growth. I'm super excited for the future with everything that's in the works. So, key highlights of the day. We were already in a sell since last night on gold. That was a beautiful trade. We made profit on that. Like I said, I ended up closing before the gym because I thought it was going to do a pullback. It did not. It kept selling. By the time I showed up to the chart, the price was already too low for me to enter. And I did not want to just jump in a sell just because it was selling at the moment. We noticed price was doing a W formation on the H1 time frame. We noticed price was also at a bottom Bollinger Band. And then from there, we added the Ichimoku cloud on the 1 minute time frame. We understood the crossover that needs to happen. We had a major push to the upside, a break and retest, which is a confirmation that we need to enter the trade. Break and retest. So if it's going for an up trend, we do need to a breakout to the high, retest at the support, entry at the support. So that's what we did here. And then from there, we ended up catching this entry as soon as we had the crossover here on the Ichimoku cloud. Plus moving average 50 was all green bullish. We had all green bullish candles as well. So we entered here exactly at a perfect entry. Profited on this move. We ended up getting out right here. We caught over 100 pips on this move. That was a beautiful trade. It did not go fast because that's not the trend right now, or at least what gold is trying to do. But that was an amazing setup, an amazing move, and we caught that whole thing going up. Now, the difference is from before is that knowing myself and consistently working on myself to be better and better and better, the old me would have, tried to keep looking for a sell. I would have entered here for the sell for sure. Stop loss would have triggered, guaranteed. Maybe if I didn't have a stop loss or I had a bigger stop loss, I would still keep trying to sell and try to get the re-entry here, which wouldn't happen. Would have took a loss here again, and I would have been out the market for a bigger loss of the day. Simply because knowing myself, a lot of times I like to, it's not that I like to, it's just human nature. The trade that I've been on that's actually making me profit, I'm kind of like emotionally attached to it. So I don't want to close it. Or I want the same thing to keep happening because I would have kept chasing this sell here, which was not the move for this trading session. So I'm glad that we were able to understand that pattern and did the opposite of that pattern. Find our entries for the day, which was right here. and made profit on this move. Now, there's still potential more sales to come, maybe at 1 p.m. or even later on tonight. Price just reached the daily entry, so we still could sell on gold. But for that to happen, I definitely need to have a crossover here going downwards. I need the green to cross the red on the Ichimoku cloud for me to even attempt on taking this sell, because it did test daily entry, and that is a great indication that price is respecting this resistance zone here. So overall, great trade on gold. I'm happy with the results, and I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm not gonna chase any more move until the next 4-hour window, which is gonna be 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So that was gold. Nas, this is it. So on Nas, this was a great trade as well. It would have been better if we all caught the trade exactly at daily entry line, but we ended up catching the trade here, which is a good entry, still around support zone. And then from there, we were able to capitalize on the uptrend move. And I ended up closing profit here. I told you guys that I'm done with NAS for the day. I'm closing profit. It's gonna pull back for 11:45 all the way to about 12 p.m. It will pull back. At 1 p.m., wherever price is at, I'm gonna either buy it if we still have a bullish momentum, or I'm going to sell it if we have a crossover here on the Ichimoku cloud. So we could see everything pretty much very clearly with the Jackpot strategy. Right now, we're still looking for good buy trades. It looks very good for the buy. Hey, it may just end up going for the buy right now and not wait. But usually, okay, I'm trading based on what I know. Usually at 11:45, 12, NAS goes the opposite of what it did for the first 4-hour window. Okay, so we'll keep that in mind. But that's pretty much it. Yeah, we didn't have a big move on NAS, but the cool thing about what we learned today is the fact that we know a true confirmation that we can always usually rely on, that's usually gonna go the right direction for us. And that's super, super important when it comes to trading. Because the hardest part of trading is being able to enter the trade and be in profit. So once we get that figured out, trailing stop loss, managing take profits, all of that becomes a little bit more easier as long as we could know where the direction is going. And the way we know where the direction is going is with the Ichimoku Cloud crossovers, using the 850 MA crossovers as well, including key zones, including daily entries, including colors of the candle as well. All of that goes into play when we are making our overall decisions in the market. So with time, we're only gonna get better. From my perspective right now, we know everything about the market, to be honest with you guys. I just think that we need to continue work on ourselves, working on our discipline, and just following a strict routine. I think in the next 60 days, we all here is gonna gain so much confidence that we're gonna be able to increase our lot size. So that's the goal. Let's keep working, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's say same time, 9 a.m. Eastern time for Thursday live trading session. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Thank you, bro. Have a great